Hey everyone, Becki-licious here. Loaded breakfast sliders on a yummy Hawaiian sweet roll, baked to golden perfection. Breakfast doesn't get any better than this. All right, I've got my Hawaiian sweet roll. Sweet rolls are all ready to go. I've already got them cut in half, as you can see. And we're just doing a small batch. You can do this, obviously, in as much as you want, but I like doing smaller batches. So we're gonna start layering our yumminess. So I've got some ham. This is gonna go on the very, very bottom. And then we are going to put a little bit of cheese because I want that cheese to really melt with that ham, because who doesn't love ham and cheese, right? So we're gonna grab a couple of these, throw them on here. And then we are going to put our bacon slices. We've already got these all up and ready to go. And I've already got my oven turned on, 350 degrees. Now we are going to, all right, now we're going to layer our scrambled eggs very carefully. We're going to try to pile these all up on here. Try not to make too big of a mess. Piled these eggs on it. Now we're going to do one last slice of cheese just to kind of help everything adhere together. So once we cut it. All right, smash this down just a little bit. All right, now I'm going to go get our melted butter because we're going to douse this in melted butter and then it's going in the oven. All right, so we've got our melted butter and we're just going to brush this all along the top because we want this to be nice and golden brown and yummy. Last but not least, we're going to put some cracked pepper on the top because, you know, like I said, we want yumminess. So while we are cracking our pepper on top, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right, breakfast sliders are going in 350-degree oven, about 20 minutes or so, because like I said, we want them golden brown. Our breakfast sliders are out of the oven, and it looks like it's time to plate up. Look at how good these look. All right, these breakfast sliders are ready to try, and they look absolutely phenomenal. God, I don't even know where to begin. They look so good. All right, here we go. Because you know we got, look at all that. The ham, the bacon, the egg, the cheese. Ooh, and this baked to perfection. So there you go. We had another amazing adventure in the kitchen today. It was extremely yummy. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.